All right, 7th graders, this is to help you with question number 4 on CR number 4. I'm going to rewrite it so that it looks a little bit more like the one on your CR, but it's the exact same type of problem. 3 times -6 minus 2 times 9 all over 4. If I was going to take this whole expression and multiply it by 1/4, I could take 1 times the top, still get the top, and then multiplying across the bottom, the 4 could be on the bottom. And it's just, it physically, yours on your CR physically looks more like this. So I just wanted to rewrite it. So first of all, we're going to get a single value on top. We already have a single value on bottom. And then in the last step, we'll do that division. To get a single value on top, we have to remember we need to multiply before we subtract. Our order of operations, we're going to multiply before we subtract. So 3 times -6, positive times a negative is a negative. 3 times 6 is 18. We have this minus sign. 2 times 9 is 18. All right, so in your second step, you would have -18 minus 18 on top. -18 minus 18 on top, all over your 4. All right, you've been working with integers here. So first of all, it was -18 minus 18. I'm not going to draw everything out, but you're here at 0. I'm going to bounce way over here to a, oops, nope, I'm going to bounce way over here to a -18. Sorry about that. So if you start at -18, and what direction would we move if we're subtracting a positive? Oh gosh, we'd have to move to the left another 18, and we'd end up way down here. Okay, so when this is -18 minus another 18, what you have to do when the signs are the same, you add and keep the sign. So we're going to do 18 and 18. We're actually going to add those up and keep the sign. 8 and 8 is 16. 1, 2, 3. So this is actually a -36. If you're at a -18, you move another 18 to the left, you end up at -36. So this is -36 over 4. All right, so now we're going to do this division in our last step. Negative divided by a positive. A negative divided by a positive is a negative. 36 divided by 4 is 9. Our answer is a -9. I don't know if your teachers have taught you the hashtag. I know this is like a little trick, but when you're multiplying and dividing, this is just for multiplication and division. But if you're multiplying and dividing, Miss Pearson used to use this last year. She'd put positives along that diagonal and then negatives everywhere else. So right here, if I look -36 divided by 4, right here, -36 divided by a positive 4 tells me my result will be negative. So that's why she draws the little hashtag. Then you work across -36 divided by positive 4 gives you a -9. It's just a way to remember if you have a hard time remembering whether your answer will be positive or negative when you divide. Mrs. Van Dyke hates tricks, so I bet she doesn't teach that this year. She's very big into process, and Common Core does not like tricks, but okay, I showed you a trick. Sorry about that. All right, your answer is -9.